Semiconductor chips are foundational to many electronic products, and that means chip security verification is critical to ensure the safety, privacy, and trustworthiness of the products that use them. Unlike software, there isn't a patch for chip hardware, meaning that systems with security compromises remain vulnerable for years. So how can you be certain your chips and devices are secure? That's where Cycuity comes in. We detect and remediate security vulnerabilities early and efficiently with our 3-step process. We provide proactive and systematic security assurance measures into every step of the pre-silicon chip development process. We start with security requirements from stakeholders, the user design, and CWE to compile into security rules. Next, we introduce automated analysis at every stage of chip development, fixing issues as we proceed. The security monitor is generated from the security requirements and applied at each phase as the chip evolves, using Radix for simulation and emulation. The analysis provided will identify violations and weaknesses and help remediate them. Finally, we integrate security sign-off by validating that all security rules passed and all requirements are met, resulting in a security verification approach that enables efficient communication and coordination of all stakeholders. Paired with a systematic methodology for developing security requirements, Cycuity simplifies security verification by giving you an efficient methodology and technology to ensure full system security. Get more comprehensive, more systematic, more efficient, and more precise security with Cycuity. Learn more at cycuity.com.